So what you see here is a post by Russell Volt. And as you can see here, he put that RIFs have begun. Now that stands for reduction in force. Let me start off with the obvious. There is zero empathy in that post. But then again, this is exactly what Russell Volt stands for, basically dismantling, kind of like Doge. They were going to find out all this government waste and fraud, and the reality is the government has already spent more than they did last year up to this date. So they're not saving money. Between the lawsuits and then having to bring people back because of the lawsuits, they're wasting more money than ever before. But besides that, my issue is here, this is how people put food on their table. And so this is nothing to be happy about or excited about. They never proved any fraud in the government. But worse, more than anything else, this comes down to the issue of healthcare. And so this isn't a shutdown, the Schumer shutdown and all the other nonsense that they're talking about there and all that other propaganda. The reality is this is because of healthcare. And what I do not understand for the life of me is why anybody would be against healthcare. The reality is people don't want to get sick. And the number one reason people file for bankruptcy is because of medical bills. Number two being health related issues. Now, health related means, maybe that person doesn't have enough PTO to take time off, and now they're losing income, or they're self employed like I am, or 1099 employees. And so they can't, they spend 2, 3 weeks in the hospital, and then now all of a sudden they're facing foreclosure, car repossession, and everything else. So I will never understand. It didn't take long, and I've been doing this for 26 years with bankruptcy, to realize that the majority of my clients were filing bankruptcy because they had outstanding medical bills. It's not something I will ever understand, and why people vote for a party that clearly has an issue with this. This is going to jack up the premium. Ask anybody who's receiving the Affordable Care Act, aka Obamacare, and they'll tell you they probably already received notices from the insurance companies that their premiums are likely to go up. But that's what this is about. And unfortunately, this is going to be a financial disaster.